Usage-based financing is probably the first business model that people think of when they hear the term machine as a service. And ultimately, this is a business model that allows the end user of the equipment to purchase the outcome of the equipment as opposed to the capital asset itself. This allows them to structure operating payments versus upfront capital payments that cover not just the cost of the equipment itself, but the maintenance of that equipment and the operation of that equipment over its entire life cycle. One of our clients, Pearson Packaging, offers their equipment on machine-as-a-service terms that are effectively a usage-based financing program. So instead of acquiring a capital asset for your secondary packaging application, Pearson Packaging can deliver you a turnkey solution that's ready to go, where you pay for that on a per unit production rate.